If your income depends on you showing up, you don't have wealth. You have a job with better marketing. Most people think making more money means they've won, but they've just increased the price of their time. You get better, more skilled, more efficient, but everything still depends on you. Ask yourself one question. If you disappeared for 30 days, would the income continue? Not a system, not an asset, a dependency. And it depends on you. Wealth doesn't ask for your time. It doesn't need your attention. It continues without you. Income is active. Wealth is autonomous. Income stops when you stop. Wealth keeps going. Because they're rewarded for effort, promoted for output, paid for presence. So they double down on the wrong game. It feels like success, but it locks you in because everything runs through you. The goal is not to be needed, it's to be removed. Systems, assets, distribution, they work even when you don't. You scale things that produce income. That's the difference. Not with working harder, not with earning more, but with building things that don't need you. In the next video, we break down the asset stack, what to build, and why most people never do it. I hope you're enjoying the series. If you are, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. That way you make sure you know when the next videos come out. Thanks for watching.